The Lord be with you.
and with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus came with his disciples into the house. Again, the crowd gathered, making it impossible for them even to eat. When his relatives heard of this, they set out to seize him, for they said, "He is out of his mind." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Good morning and welcome to the Minor Basilica, Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag. Today we celebrate the memorial of Saint Francis de Sales, Doctor of the Church. But I will start my reflection and my homily with my own experience. Usually, I like to go to Baguio. When you go to Baguio from here in the Rotonda of Rosario, there are two ways going there. Marcos Highway or Cannon Route. Usually, my driver asking me, "Father, what do you want pass by? Cannon Route or Marcos Highway?" I told them, I think mas fast we can pass by Cannon Route. It's only 1 hour, 1.5 hour from here. But sometimes when we pass Cannon Route, the car is very fast. And then less than 1 hour or less than 1.5 hour, we're in the Baguio. Usually, I got sleep when going up to Baguio. But this past last time, I just realized, yes, it's very fast pass by to Cannon Route. But sometimes, ako po minsan hindi ko nang enjoy the things there. Because sometimes we want to fast, we drive fast, and we arrive there. But sometimes I thought to myself, we need to enjoy the trip going to Baguio. Not just because of the fastest you going there, but you need to enjoy the things beside you during the trip. This thing make me realize like what Saint Francis of de Sales telling us. Never be in hurry. Do everything quietly and in the calm spirit. Sa tingin ko sa buhay natin in this era, we just everything very fast. Drive very fast, doing everything very fast because we think when we're doing something very fast, we can do another things. But sometimes when we're doing something in hurry, we not enjoy anymore. It's thing just we want to finish and accomplish the task. But I think Saint Francis de Sales remind us, hinay-hinay lang. Hinay-hinay lang sa mga bagay sa buhay natin. Yes, sometimes we need to decide everything in fast, but sometimes we need also take time to look it more clearly. Because when doing something very fast, we not understand what we do. Yung sabi ko kanina, we just want to finish it very fast. But the word telling us everything is fast. The word telling us everything we need to accomplish. And kung hindi natapos, na anxiety tayo, may pressure tayo. But sometimes we need to take time to look. Take time to stop. Take time to think. The word telling us when you're doing something very fast or doing something together, because sometimes when we see ourselves, we are doing many things one time. But we not enjoy anymore. In the end, pagod lang tayo. But when we take time and be calm, we can understand ano yung ginagawa natin sa buhay natin. My dear brothers and sisters, when the world telling us to doing everything very fast, today, Saint Francis de Sales invite us to take stop sometime, to enjoy the things we do. Not for the sake because someone telling us, ang galing mo, you do it something very good and efficient. But we want to also invite the Lord to help us to reflect sa bawat step natin, sa bawat desisyon natin. We also walk together with the Lord. And in the end, we can offer our work as a beautiful prayer for the Lord also. So don't be pressure with the things around you. Don't take pressure because people telling you, ang bagal mo, ang hina mo. But when you take your step, dahan-dahan, you can see everything more clearly. And we ask the Lord in this Mass so we can enjoy sa bawat activity we have, not because the pressure we have, but we want to offer it together with the Lord.